Following a lesson or presentation is often not possible for a visually impaired student or staff member. They cannot see what is being presented, making them feel less engaged and less able to understand the content. My Board Buddy by Sensotec makes classrooms and meetings more accessible for them. A student or employee with low vision can magnify the content of both a digital board and a traditional chalkboard on a nearby screen. The image is displayed without any loss of quality, even when zooming in. Color contrast can be adjusted, and video content can also be followed in the same way. My Board Buddy offers a complete solution. With the My Board Buddy Cam, students can magnify and clearly read what is written on the classroom board. A high-quality distance camera captures the entire classroom in sharp detail. The student can independently adjust and manipulate the image on their screen using intuitive controls. With My Board Buddy Air or Go, content from a smartboard or PowerPoint presentation can be viewed easily. The presenter connects the My Board Buddy transmitter between their computer and the presentation screen or directly to the smartboard. The My Board Buddy receiver or app connects wirelessly to the transmitter, allowing the user to sit anywhere in the room. By installing just one transmitter in the classroom, multiple students can use it simultaneously. My Board Buddy Air is the ideal solution for students in a fixed classroom. The smartboard content is displayed on a large screen near the student. Using the controls, the student can adjust what they see on their screen without affecting the main presentation. With My Board Buddy Go, a student with a visual impairment can view the presentation content directly on their tablet via the My Board Buddy app. This makes the solution very easy and accessible to use. My Board Buddy Go is ideal for users who frequently change classrooms, such as in secondary or higher education. It also allows employees in the workplace to fully participate in meetings. The solution is discreet and professional. In this way, My Board Buddy increases engagement and helps create a more inclusive school or work environment. Would you like to learn more about My Board Buddy? Contact us at sales@sensotec.com.